Good afternoon. I'm Emma Gouze. I'm the environmental manager for Provence Grand Large, which is a floating pilot offshore wind farm in the Mediterranean Sea. I'm a member of the marine environmental team at EDF Renouvelables. Well, I guess most of you already know EDF Renouvelables. We are the leader of offshore wind power production in France, with 2 offshore wind farms operating. The first one is Saint-Nazaire, and the second one is Fécamp here in Normandy. We have 2 offshore wind farms in construction, Courseulles in Normandy and Provence Grand Large, which is in the commissioning phase. And we have 3 offshore wind farms in development, Dunkerque, Manche Normandie, and Méditerranée Grand Large. On each project, there's a strict consideration of environmental challenges. Numerous discussions and studies are conducted over several years in collaboration with environmental associations, fisheries committees, researchers, etc. And a lot of people are involved in our project, supporting us, following us, challenging us, and in the different territories. And in this context of offshore wind power development, questions are asked on environmental topics, and water quality is one of these topics. Sometimes concerns can be expressed by professional fishermen or by associations. And on top of that, French administration services assess the proper environmental integration of our project before authorizing their construction and their commissioning. So in this context, we request France Énergie Marine to provide concrete and rational elements. We directly address them the question on water quality and ask for clear elements to inform possible debates on environmental issues. And I wanted to add that we all often consider the problem with the worst scenarios. For example, I wanted to say that for the hydrodynamical modeling and the transport model presented by Nicolas here, the worst scenario cases have been considered for the aluminium concentration in the seawater, because, for example, in Saint-Nazaire, we have considered that there is a GACP protection in the offshore wind farm, so that we have, yes, the worst case scenario of aluminium in the system, but we have a ICCP protection in this park. So that's how we do consider all this problem. And I wanted to very quickly add that the development of the offshore wind power in France leads to the acquisition of a great deal of knowledge on marine ecosystems, and these results can also be used for the other sectors which already exert pressure on the marine environment. So there's a need to approach the problem in a more integrated view, considering all the pressure and, for example, marine transport and sediment removal. So that's also, I guess, the next step for France Énergie Marine to have a more larger view of this subject. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Emma. And as you just mentioned, yes, for the France Énergie Marine teams and also consortium of ECOCAP that we want to have a more integrative view of chemical release.